Alright, good day. This is actually previous board question from MSc or Engineering Mathematics. So let's go. We read the question. A man walks a distance x along a board. He sinks a distance of y inch where y equals px cubed over 3ai. Here, P is the person's weight, 165 pounds. A is the modulus of elasticity of the materials in the board, 1,320,000 pounds per square inch. I is the moment of inertia, given then 10.9. If he moves at the rate of 25 inches per second, how fast is he sinking when x equals 75? So, dito muna tayo sa figure, no? This is support. Ito yung sinasabi niya na board, along a board, this one. Okay? Ito yung tao, person. Yung x class is the distance. Ako ha? A man walks a distance x. Can you follow? So, pag nandito yung person natin, mag-iiba din yung value ng x. Kaya inilagay siya ng variable x. Paiba-iba yung value ng x. Kasi nga, yung man natin walks along a board. Okay. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng x. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng y? He sinks a distance of y in inches. So, yung y class is actually parang vertical distance yan. Kasi, the moment yung person natin nandito siya, common sense, mag-deflect doon siya, di ba? In board mo. So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng y mo, paiba-iba din. And follow? Depende yun sa, parang depende sa distance x. Di ba? So, we term this one as, sa civil engineering, we term this one as deflection. So, given din naman ang equation niya, which is y equals px cubed over 3ai. What is your p? May sinabi dito, dapat basahin natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng p. P is the person's weight. No? What is your x? Ito ang x natin, no? Distance x along the board. What is your e? Modulus of elasticity. Given din, di ba? What is our I? Moment of inertia, given din. Can you follow? Now, ano ibig sabihin ng 25? Ito, no? Ano ibig sabihin ng 25? Ano ibig sabihin ng 25 inches per seconds? Diba? Ano ibig sabihin yan? O ano ba yung 25 inches? If he moves, sabi dito, if he moves at the rate of 25 inches per second. So, ang 25 mo class, referring to this distance x. Okay na? Referring to distance x, and your seconds referring to time. Nakuha? Since this one's class is actually rate yan, pag rate, mali ito. Dapat naka dx over dt. Ito talaga yung tama niya, no? Ito mali ito. Kasi rate nga. So, meaning, your dx, your 25 class is actually dx over dt. So, again, sorry. dx over dt equals 25. So, clear na, no? Okay. Ano ang ito, how fast is he sinking? So, he's asking class for sinking. Yung na referring to y. Kasi nakadefine ang y na sinking, no? So, how fast is he sinking? So, we are looking class for the value of y. Nakuha? Pero, may sinabi dito na how fast? Again, ang fast referring to rate. So, again, pag y mali, dapat dapat class, hindi siya y. Kasi nga, may tanong siya, how fast? So, dapat naka dy over dt. So, ito ang gusto niya paalam sa atin. Yan ang required. We are looking for dy over dt. Nakuha. So, saan ba tayo class makakuha ng y? So, may clue na tayo, no? We are looking for dy over dt. So, saan tayo makakuha ng y? Dito tayo makakuha ng y sa deflection, which is given na y equals px cubed over 3i. So, Given ang deflection, distance y which is px cubed. Ano yan? 3ei. Okay, so ito ang working equation natin, no? To solve for dy over dt. Okay? So, since ang given class is y, not dy, anong gawin natin sa y para maging dy? You have to derive this one. Oh, derivative of y is dy. So, meron na. May clue na tayo. Ito pala class, ang gagawin natin, we have to derive this one. Okay? So, but before we derive, subtract natin lahat ng mga constant. Y. Hindi pa tayo mag-derive, ha? Y equals, what is our P? 165, di ba? 3. What is our E? 1, 3, 2, 20, and 0, 0. What is our I? Ano yun? 10.9. Okay? Oops. Dito na. Sorry. Then, x cube. Diba? So, simplify natin muna ang 165 yan using calculator. All clear. Fraction.
Background play. So
165
while reading,
diba? Over
YouTube Premium.
3 by 1,320.
More than ad free. Try 1 month on us.
320, then 1, 2, 3 times 10.9 modulus elasticity, no? 10.9 equals 3.82. This is actually class. Your y is 3.82 times 10 negative 6 x cubed. So again, we are not looking for y, we are looking for dy over dt. So anong gawin natin sa equation na to? Anong gawin natin para makakuha tayo ng dy? We have to derive both sides. Ano? So D class sumod na rin in differential calculus. So dapat alam mo how to derive. Okay, so napaka-importante no? Okay, so let's start. What is the derivative of y? Of course, dy. Diba? What is the derivative of 3.2 10 to the power of negative 6x cubed? Rules ng differentiation. Sorry. Ayan, 382 is 10 negative 6. And then x, 3 minus 1, 2. Then derivative of x is dx. Yan. Diba? So again, simplify mo na. Mahaba yan. Simplify lang natin. This will be dy. How about this one? Using calculator. No? Substitute natin muna, no? Substitute muna. 3, sorry. 3, then 3.82. Sige. Times 10, negative 6. Sorry. Negative 6. And then, what is our x square? What is our x? Diba, given ang x natin as this one. 75. So, sampak na natin diretso. Given yan, 75. Dx. Diba? So, square. Calculator, then our dy equals calculator. Diretso na natin times 3, no? And then times ano yun? 75 equals, I see. 75 square, sorry. Multiply ko ulit ng 75. Kasi 75 square yun, no? 0.064. Tama na ba? Okay, 0.064. 0.064. Exponent pa. Wala na. Okay. So, 0.64 dx. Again, class, ano bang hanapin natin? Ang hanapin natin ay hindi siya dy, kundi dy over dt. So, paano tayo makakuha ng dt? Meron na tayong dy, diba? Kulang tayo ng over dt. Lagyan mo lang Lagyan lang natin ng over dt, both side. Balance. Okay? So, yun na. Yun ang required, which is dy, diba, over dt equals 0.064 times dx over dt. What is our dx over dt? Given din yun, our dx over dt is equals to 25. Okay? Equals to equals to 25. Saan ko muna ng 25? Given yan na dx. Given yan na dx over dt 25. So using your calculator, dy over dt, which is the required, equals 0.64 times 25. So natin na, times 25 equals 1.61. So your dy over dt is 1.61 inch per seconds. So how fast is the man dancing? 1.61. Okay? Yan natin sa choices. 1.61. Letter D. So he's asking for how fast is he sinking when x equals 75. So the answer is 1.61. We are looking, class, for dy over dt. Okay, so thank you for watching.